Something incredible is happening right now. A brand new AI niche is on the verge of going viral because almost no one is tapping into it yet. I found just one channel producing long-form content in this space, but the real growth potential lies in shorts. This one channel, with only 14,000 subscribers, is earning over $7,000 simply by uploading AI-generated GTA gameplay. It's unique, visually compelling, and sparks curiosity. One of their shorts, titled GTA Gameplay in North Korea, pulled in over 600,000 views. The short format encourages viewers to watch until the end, which means higher retention. And in the gaming niche, that translates to a high RPM and serious earnings. This begs the question, why haven't more creators jumped on this yet? Is it because you don't know how to make these kinds of shorts? Stick with me. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process from setting up your channel to uploading your first video. Don't make the mistake of clicking away. If you exit now, you'll miss out, because once this video ends, others will start making these videos and blow up. Then they'll be the ones uploading tutorials like this one, while you're left watching from the sidelines, earning nothing. So stay with me until the end, and be sure to check the video description where you'll find all the prompts I use in this video. Let's get started. First, we'll focus on short-form content. It's the fastest way to grow and build momentum on YouTube right now. To begin, we need a brand new YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com, click sign in, and you'll be taken to the main dashboard. From there, click Create Account and select for my personal use. Just follow along with the steps I'm showing. Once your account is created, give your channel an engaging name. I went with GTA 10X as an example. Click Next, and once the channel is ready, it's time to verify it. But not just yet. Here's a tip I've learned. Upload your logo and banner before verifying your channel. I'm not sure why it works, but every time I do this, my shorts tend to perform way better. So I'm sharing it with you. To create a logo, copy the first prompt from the PDF linked in the video description. Then open Grow AI, paste the copied prompt, insert your channel name like I do, and hit enter. This will generate a detailed prompt specifically for your logo. Copy it, then go to the website Leonardo AI. Sign in with Gmail. You'll get 150 credits every time you register with a new Gmail account. Here's a little trick. Go to freegmail.netlify.app, enter your actual Gmail address, and it will generate thousands of variations of that email. You can use these to sign up anywhere, and all OTPs will still go to your original inbox. For example, I copied one of these variations, used it to sign into Leonardo AI with Gmail, and easily created an account. You can repeat this for unlimited credits. After logging in, click Image Creation, choose Flux Schnell as the model, and head back to Grow. Paste your logo prompt into Leonardo, select a 1:1 image size for logos, and click Generate. In a few seconds, you'll get 4 high-quality logos. Pick your favorite and download it. Now it's time for your banner. Go to cutout.pro to remove the background from the logo. Then head to canva.com, click on Templates, search YouTube banner, and select a template you like. Customize it. Remove everything except the main headline. Add your logo with the background removed and include an eye-catching keyword. Once your design is ready, click Share, then Download. Now your logo and banner are ready to upload. Go to your YouTube channel and upload both. You'll see how well they fit. Click Save, and now it's time to verify your channel. Head to YouTube Studio, click Settings, then Channel, and choose the second tab. Click Verify Phone Number and enter the OPT sent to your device. There's one more important setup step. Copy the second prompt from the PDF in the video description, paste it into Grow, and you'll get a list of keywords. Copy a few, go back to YouTube Studio, Settings, paste the keywords, select your country, and click Save. Now your channel is fully set up. Time to make your first video. To generate a story, we'll start by giving Grow AI a text prompt. Copy the one from the PDF linked in the video description, paste it in, and hit Enter. Grow will generate a high-quality script broken into 5 scenes. Once you've got the story, it's time to create the visuals. Copy the 4th prompt from the PDF. You'll find it in the video description. Paste it into Grow AI and hit Enter. It will return 5 prompts to help generate the images for each scene. To create images, go to Leonardo AI, click Image Creation, choose Flux Dev as the model, and select a resolution of 900 by 16. Perfect for shorts. Copy the first image prompt from Grow, paste it into Leonardo, and click Generate. You'll get 4 high-quality images. Choose your favorite and download it. Repeat this process for all 5 prompts. Running low on credits? Use the Gmail trick to register a new account and get another 150 credits. Or, here's a faster way. Go to Grow AI. Copy all your image prompts into a Google Doc. Open a second tab in Grow AI. Go back to the doc, copy the first prompt, type generate in 900 by 16 before pasting, and hit enter. You'll get 2 high-quality images for free in just a few seconds. Download your favorites and repeat. Now with your visuals ready, it's time to turn them into videos. Copy the 5th prompt from the Google Doc, linked in the video description, paste it into Grow AI, and it'll give you video generation prompts. Next, go to Hilo AI, click Create a Video, and add your first image. Go back to Grow, copy the first video prompt, return to Hilo, paste it, and click Create a Video. In a few minutes, you'll have a clip that looks just like GTA gameplay. Download it and repeat for each scene. For editing, I use Clipchamp, but any video editor will work. Open it, create a new video, and import all your clips. Resize each one slightly to remove the high-low watermark and trim the ends to make everything feel punchier and faster. Finally, let's add background music. Head to Pixabay.com, search GTA under Music, and download the GTA theme. Import it into your video editor, drop it into the timeline, and you're ready. Export your final video, and boom, it's ready to upload. As I said earlier, hardly anyone is doing this yet. And even after watching this, only a handful of people will take action. Maybe you're one of them. So what are you waiting for? Get started now, and until then, keep creating. Bye for now.